Hi, I'm Jim Balla. I'm the SnowDogg Tech at Buyers Products. In today's video, we're going to be going over the spring cages. The spring cages are very important on our system. What they do is they take the pin and they expand them. If the spring cages are bad, the pins are going to start looking for power and start creating heat, and that's what we don't want. So replacing the spring cages yearly would be a great idea to do, and let's go to a closer view of the spring cages. So when it comes to replacing the spring cages on our harnesses, we have three different types of packaging. For the larger spring cages, comes two in a pack. It's part number 1616-0402. Now for the smaller cages, we have a package of just one. It's part number 1616-0404. And then the final package comes in a kit of 20. And it's part number 1616-0405. Now let's look at the harness that I cut away to get a better look at the spring cages. As you see, you have two large spring cages. Those are for the motor. And then you have 7 smaller cages that go to the coils. Now on the plow side harness, this is what you're going to see. But on the truck side harness for the lights, you're going to see all smaller cages. So you'd like to replace those too and make sure they always have dielectric grease in them. Now, let's look at how to replace the cages. And what you'll need is like a little pick that can take the cages off. So first thing you want to do is get your pick and try to grab the side of the pin, the cage, and then actually it came out really easy. Sometimes they are difficult, but there's a small one. And then get the large one off. You want to do the same thing, try to grab on the side. Again, you got to go over a little lip. Like I said, sometimes they're a little difficult. Okay. There you go. So yeah, sometimes they're a little difficult, sometimes they're not. And now we're going to just put the other ones on, the new ones on. So let me just grab one out of the package here. And this is a little bit easier because then you just take it and you just slide it right on. And just make sure you go past that little lip so it locks itself in. Put the little one on too. Take it out of the package. Same thing, just slide it right on. Again, make sure it goes past that little step. And that's it. One of the things you could do to keep these in good shape is always keep cleaning them. Always have dielectric grease in them, and just check them all the time, and keep good cleaning on them. Thank you for watching a video on replacing the spring cages on our SnowDogg harnesses. I showed you the 3 packages. If you need some, give us a call or go to buyersproducts.com, and I'll see you in the next video.